It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah, me say Brana my feel I do. Oda beba na makumate. Me see minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya ne bramen chembe fe manu wape. Oda Brana my feel Oda wacho. Se wode mana na makumata me ya. Me say Brana my feel hey wacho. Se wode mana na makumata me ya. So don't be late, don't be late. My feel won't come out the other buffet, man, no cracker. But don't be late, don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die, eh? I done not cheering me. Until you be jammy, my time for besting me. My feet are dying, who are that's it unfair me. Sasem now, who catch me, no kind of shame me. Yeah, yeah. Show put on me ya and cut up for that.
Sorry.
What's up? Do you get in them?
Motors are not allowed.
Yeah, what shows are
Bicycle are not allowed.
What's up? I mean, I know church elements.
Park it outside here.
Maybe now we're today.
This is why.
Just get out.
Yes, everybody there, sir.
No, I don't understand this gentleman.
No. It's like you have to understand.
I have to understand.
It's someone,
you know.
It's someone's
Let me tell you something.
Like people of
listen. Let me tell you something. I'm coming here, I'm bringing my wife here to a gym, and you stop me not to cut inside. What are you trying to tell me? Hey.
No, it's like,
no, here.
Gentlemen.
Baby, let's go.
I beg.
You know the holler. I dey suffer, but you know the border. I'm feeling so thirsty. Offer your love, my baby. Come and pour me your water. Other your woman, I need to be nobody.
Yeah, Lucky. Yeah, I want to say. Still make you power. How I hook up person. I hope now. You remember boss. You can say me. Wife.
We can say when I want to see me, I want to function.
And most of the door each channel I want to know. The wife of us, maybe want to have a toll the wife. You see, I see sweet band. Who stop me? And I made them like I said, below the post with the wife of us. They say, who train me and his stomach, so what I say, buffalo. So now the hips and the large money. Already, I mean, we see how bad we are. So, there's someone who will be up to you. So, what I say, I hope so. You are very friendly.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
Okay. So, you are here for your student, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
That's a yellow game. 6 packs.
Okay.
What I asked actually.
Yes.
Actually.
Very big.
Okay.
You on your feet. Go down. Up. You got to the yes, up. Up. Down.
Yeah, you should have to chicken somehow. Yeah, so chicken is some money culture. Then I think.
Down. Up. Now hold this. Let's do this. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1.
What's up? Hey. Now, I don't know. We are in the train. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. What's up? I might say now, now, what do not tell the wife and I want to what's happening?
It's in our video, be by
I'm in the second one now. I need to be. I don't need to training and washing. I want what time to sign. I 1, 2, 3. What's a training and I mentioned? So go along with this one. Who is this one?
We see what that's it.
I know.
Actually, I don't know who you are. You're very careful. I didn't know who you are. Now, I'm going to throw Catheters. Yes, I will.
You make sure you have Hey, I don't so cool. That was right.
Now, they won't oh, Chama, friend. Hey, I don't know who you are. I don't know who. Oh, let me inside.
Boss. So you front
Who I don't know who you are. Chama. Hey.
I'm not coming again. What's the problem?
I brought my wife here just for the guys to train her. And you were just trying to touching the arms and the whole
Please, boss, we are very sorry. I
my
want
wife like that. She need a lot of you. Come on, you start up there.
boys, this was the problem.
We came in here and I handed my wife over to him. Just for him to train my wife for me. All of a sudden I was just standing there looking at him like trying to do
You what? What did I do? What did I do?
Man, yeah, shut up.
Why can't you explain? What did I do?
Punch you. Don't
Punch where?
Boss, please, we are sorry. Please, we'll give you a different training.
We are sorry. We aren't coming here. We're going.
We are
We're going.
Who I?
Please, hurry.
Who I?
Hey,
Hey,
Who are two of them from Sabah?
Boss.
hey, God.
Please,
But
madam.
it's not how you are.
Madam, forgive
No,
us.
you know, you just opened the gym center. And then now you're trying to...
It's not for us. It's
You're
this.
making the customers go. Why are you doing
Please,
this?
madam, forgive me.
But why would you be holding his girls?
No. He said he want a flat tummy. And I'm giving her a flat tummy.
Yeah,
that is. Look at what he.
I was
Can
there.
you ma-
I was there.
Oh,
You were there.
Ma-
And what
My
happened?
witness.
BBN were called Kuntabia. When
You're
I
speaking
said,
English and you're speaking Tree.
you say what?
I said, what happened?
The happening is happening. The guy is a stupid guy because
No, you can't insult an customer.
Oh,
Customers are always right.
Customers are always.
Customers are always right.
No, this
Why are you
guy,
doing
this
this?
customer is
You are
always
sucking
left.
our customers. You know, you just open the place.
No, this
Why are you
customer
doing
is always left. Madam, as I was training the girl, he was standing there.
I'm sure
giving-
you went too intimate. That's why he got angry.
That is not the estimate.
So how do you do
I was standing. The guy was munting his face whenever he entered the place. He fighted with me at the gate.
He fighted with you at the gate.
At the gate, so he was already in the mood of fighting. Madam, just look at this. I was doing like this. I did like this, and the guy was munting his face. Another, I will turn it.
You did like this too?
Yes, I did like this, and he was oh.
So these
I
are the
was
things.
trying to do the stomach and
Hey!
please, madam, sorry. Oh, this guy is not a customer. Go to other gym.
No, but no matter what,
Go
you just
to
have to
other
calm
gym.
him down. You just have to calm him down. Today we're supposed to make some money. You understand?
We will make the money not because of this.
Oh, please,
Madam,
everyone should calm down with
madam,
this job.
madam,
Or
this-
else we would have to change you guys.
this stupid
No,
customer,
don't
brother,
change
if you lost right there, it's okay.
It's okay.
So you guys don't do well.
Please, madam, it's not he though. By the time I started this,
It shouldn't happen again.
this stomach.
It shouldn't happen again. I said you shouldn't do that again.
Thank you.
And this shouldn't happen again. Please, the two of you. Or we'll have no option than to change the two of you. Why are you doing this?
We're sorry, madam.
Ah,
It won't happen again, madam.
I hope so.
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Hey, this
Yes, I
gentleman
call him
bad
Michian
here.
baby. I will nyani.
God will punish him.
Michian baby. I would will nyani. Me krabu do so amano wa unaga. Me
Na unkwasa sema yo upe jam na to matwe. Stupid. Ahode ba moto ba to ahode wate.
me krabu do so amano.